Hi everyone, I am Dr. Charu Bansal, MD dermatologist, and today I am going to talk about dark underarms. Dark underarms is a very common problem. It's mainly a cosmetic issue. Mainly females do visit our clinic with a complaint of dark underarms because they feel uncomfortable and non-confident when they have to wear the sleeveless clothes. So in today's video, I am going to discuss about the causes of dark underarms, how do we manage dark underarms, and some do's and don'ts for darkening of armpits in short. First, coming to the causes of dark underarms. So the most common cause for darkening of underarms is friction. The friction can be due to the tight clothing, that can again be due to the overweight. Okay, if you have more body weight, that leads to friction in between the skin in the armpits, and that leads to darkening of the underarm. Another important cause is post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. What does it mean? If you get some bacterial infection, fungal infection, any allergic rash or eczema, once it heals, it leaves some pigmentation. That is called post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Another important cause is acanthosis nigricans. So, acanthosis nigricans is a condition in which we see there is thickening of the skin, there is pigmentation of the skin, and that can involve the neck area, inner thighs area apart from the armpit. Some patients, they have the pigmentation over these sides of the cheeks also, side of the temples also. So in such scenario, we have to assess for the cause of the darkening of underarms, and accordingly we treat our patients. Some do's and don'ts are: avoid tight clothing, preferably wear cotton loose clothes, and so as to avoid the friction. Girls can go for laser hair removal rather than waxing. So waxing and shaving and plucking, using the chemical strips can lead to pigmentation. Some patients, they do tell us that they are using deodorants on their skin. Such sort of chemical exposure can also lead to darkening of the underarms. Avoid such things. Do not use deodorants directly on your skin or any form of chemical like waxing strips or the wheat strips. They lead to pigmentation. About the management, so as a dermatologist, first we try to rule out look for the cause of the darkening of underarms, and accordingly we treat our patients. Like in acanthosis nigricans, we first evaluate and we start our patients on metformin along with the routine treatment of dark underarms. So some depigmenting creams containing glycolic acid, kojic acid recommended to a patient. Moisturizer is very important. Keep your skin properly moisturized. And in our clinic, we do chemical peels and lasers, including glycolic acid, phenol peels, TCA peels, that give wonderful results. Laser is also an option for darkening of underarms. So if you have any such problem, visit your dermatologist, look for the cause and treat the cause accordingly. Thank you.